Mindful May. If you like sewing, thrifting, traveling, wellness, and living a simple, balanced, and more mindful life, then you're in the right place. I'm May, and here are a few things you should know about me. 1. I am an artist. Mostly this is expressed through sewing my own clothing, but I also like to teach others how to sew as well. 2. I am passionate about health and wellness, and I aim to live a balanced life through movement and food. 3. I love spending time with my husband, especially when we get to travel together. 4. I love to thrift and shop secondhand, and I love to share my thrift hauls. My goal with this channel is to share my creativity and hopefully inspire you to unleash your own creativity through sewing, slow fashion, home decor, food, whatever it may be. Though this is mainly a sewing channel, it may evolve into more topics that I am interested in or passionate about. Another goal of mine for this channel is to connect with others on the topics of simplicity, balance, gratitude, and living a joyful life where we can remain curious and are open to learning new things. If this all sounds like your cup of tea, I hope you'll subscribe. I look forward to connecting with you. Cheers!